Hi guys, it's Alfie here. You will not believe what I found. And yes, I do play Just Impress. Do not wound me up about it or you're banned from commenting. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Forbidden Truth badge as well as a secret cutscene I'm not going to spoil. If you feel this is fake, I completely understand. You don't have to believe everything I say. I do tend to be joking a lot. So yeah, just wanted to make this video so you all could find out how to do this. I really hope this helps in any way. And also, please be sure to drop a like and a subscribe. I'm now going to start the video. Yay! Anyways, so why are you still watching this part? So, as you probably all don't know, I'm going to go into chapter 1 here, and then I'm just going to wait. That a lot of people want to go on chapter 1, so there's going to be a lot of people waiting outside. So if you don't like your name being shown on me, just leave a comment and I'm sure to censor it out for you. So yeah, firstly we're just going to want to approach this gate and wait a sec. Oh yeah, that's my Roblox username if you want to friend me. Yeah. Just skip this cutscene as well. Might as well show you another secret after the potions as well. So what you want to do, firstly, you want to do the potions quest, which I will speed up. So you want to skip this cutscene just a sec. Okay guys, so I'm done. Right, I'm just gonna give this potion to Leash. 1 sec. There we go. Now do not, and I mean do not enter the portal if you want to get this achievement. Okay, firstly, you see all these lanterns around the room? Well, you're going to want to activate them. I'm going to have Kate explain this. So yeah, just gonna let you know. Do not enter the portal, otherwise you will mess up. And these ingredients are very specific when I tell you they are specific, okay? So please, do not mess up. So, how you going to activate the lanterns, you want to walk right up to them, then click on them. Now I'm just going to repeat this process, and yeah. Ash will just stay there, the potions will just stay there. So yeah. I'm just gonna keep activating these. You should have a sound effect now. Yeah, that's the sound effect. That this room's opened up now. Now, follow these instructions carefully. Okay, if you mess up, you're going to have to retry it from start. So firstly, do not do what I'm doing. I accidentally made a mistake, and yes, it's editor over here, and yeah. I just realised I messed up, so I'm going to reset it. First, you want to use the moon. Now, you just want to follow the regular potions instructions. That's about it. And yeah. So next, it's water. Now vampire. This is a new one. I'll show you why it's new. There's new ones here. Next, you're gonna want to add ashes. It should say on a label. Should be that potion there. Keep adding that. Next is going to be phantom, that purple one in the corner there. Get ready. Okay. There, and then. Okay, next up is the unicorn one. You want to be careful for this. I'm not sure if I said this already, but the previous one was phantom. Okay. Next, you just want to stir it casually, and yeah, it should be done. You should get the achievement. I didn't because I already did this, and you can always try if you messed up. So yeah, don't worry. Also, it says this cauldron has access to the ingredients. Also, here's another secret. There's actually Morse code here. Let me know if any of you can translate that. So yeah, now that's the secret. But now that we've got nothing better to do here, so let's go back to Dress and Impress. And don't mind the screen. It tends to happen that sometimes. Now, I'm going to want to go to the Valentines area. And then I'm going to want to, yeah, that's better. Walk over to chapter 2 down this way. And this is how you get the cutscene, by the way. I'm going to stay silent for the cutscene. So you want to go and click not here. And so now I'm going to stay silent. Hope you enjoy the cutscene. So yeah, that's how you do it. Oh, looks like some people followed me down here. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing. Whoops, my head. And I hope you have a lovely day. Bye everyone.